Look out for Hammy Agiri.
Dia Shivagiri.
Hammy Agiri vodka is Coke. Agus, a chonig, dia Shivagiri.
Pinch.
Laget?
Aye.
Agus pinch laget. Anna?
Hammy Agiri Ishkipea.
Agus uske behem ser tolle.
Well, Ishke means water. Ishke Behe, whiskey, means water of life. Ishke Behe. Ishke Behe. One customer also said vodka is Coke. That's a short way of saying vodka agus Coke. Vodka and Coke.
Dia Shivagiri.
Hammy Agiri vodka is Coke. Agus, a chonig, dia Shivagiri.
Pinch.
Laget?
Aye.
Agus pinch laget. Anna?
Hammy Agiri Ishkipea.
Agus uske behem ser tolle.
Sláinte. Cheers.
Let's find out how the MacLeods are doing in our drama, Eckenhai, at home.
I'm a pure cup of coffee.
Mommy?
Mommy? Dia Shivagiri.
Chop suey.
Maser tolle.
Maser tolle.
Well,
Mommy? Chop suey. Me agiri chop suey.
Ian?
Okay. Dia Shivagiri.
Chop suey.
Beskir ma Ian. Dia Shivagiri.
Hammy Agiri pinch laget. Maser tolle. Sláinte.
When Mr. MacLeod got his drink from the barman, he said, Sláinte van. Good health. Cheers. You can either use Sláinte or Sláinte van. Listen again.
Sláinte.
Mommy.
In our next programme, we'll be visiting Dunvegan in the Isle of Skye in Chelan Skianov, and we'll be looking at how to say what you like and what you don't like. Until then, sláinte. Cheers. Sláinte.
In this week's programme, we introduced you to J. Hashif Agiori. J. Hashif Agiori. Ha mi agiori ushke behe. Ha mi agiori ushke behe. Mas ur tol e. Mas ur tol e. Coffee du agus coffee giall. Coffee du agus coffee giall. Le bagne. Le bagne. Gun shoekar. Gun shoekar. She behe. She behe. Pinch. Pinch.